Welcome to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's public field hearing in Newark, New Jersey at Essex County College. Alexander Schmid.
Hello, I'm a plaintiff's class action lawyer. I'm a partner in the law firm Wolf, Haldenstein, Adler, Freeman, and Hers in New York. I've been practicing law for about 30 years. We've heard a little bit mentioned today about the right of access to the courts and the right to sue in court. I'd like to just expound a little bit on the legal framework of that right, and there really is a constitutional dimension to it that is not often mentioned in the discussion, and I just would like to elaborate on that. It's not just the Seventh Amendment jury trial right that we're talking about. There is a fundamental First Amendment right to sue in a government court. And I'll demonstrate that by reading a few quotes to you. The petition clause of the First Amendment says, Congress shall make no law abridging the right to petition the government for a redress of grievances. In a series of cases between 1972 and 2011, the Supreme Court unequivocally held that the First Amendment rights protected by the petition clause include the right to access to the court. In 2011, a seven-justice majority of the court, 2 months after the Concepcion decision, stated that the petition clause protects the right of individuals to appeal to courts and other forums established by the government for resolution of legal disputes. And in 1945, and since 1945, it's been very clear that the right of petition is inseparable from the freedoms of speech, press, and assembly, and is one of the four cognate rights united in the First Amendment's assurance. So in other words, the right to access court is just as sacrosanct as the right of freedom of speech, the right of freedom of religion. And let me just read you one more quote, and that is, what does it mean under the petition clause to have to seek a redress of grievances in court? You go to the dictionary definition, and the definition of redress is the setting right of what is wrong, relief from wrong or injury, compensation or satisfaction for a wrong or injury. So there's a fundamental First Amendment right to get relief on the merits from a government court. And I would wonder what the public debate would be like and what the Bureau's decision would be if what we were talking about here was financial institutions through form contracts limiting the rights of free speech or limiting the rights of consumers to practice their religion. We're talking about something from a constitutional dimension that's equally as important, and that is, should there be a mandatory forced abdication of the First Amendment right to get relief from a government court? And I hope that you consider that. Thanks.